3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. That's how we multiply threes. Hi, my name is Miss Becker. I live in Texas with my husband and 4 kids on a small farm. I have been teaching with WonderWell for several months now, and I've really enjoyed it. There's so much science and math in the world around us, and I really like to bring that to life for kids that I teach. The way that I like to teach math is with multimedia. Manipulate numbers and images of numbers and objects in our mind. I know we know farming is science, but until I really started doing more with it, I realized how much there really is. That is one reason I do enjoy my farm class. You learn about farm animals, of the plant side of farming, and even some of the foraging. Science is clear how it applies to the world. So science, we just bring life in and things around us into what we're learning. And then I have a class for sewing. We'll just meet about every other week to sew something together. We did a shorter camp this summer and it was just lots of fun. And I have a cow friend licking my camera. See, he'll say hi. Again, my name is Miss Becker and I would love to see any kids in my class and I'll be excited to get to know you. Bye.